Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to show or hide home button on Edge toolbar in Windows 11 or 10 PC. By default, this one home button remains hidden in Edge browser. In case you want to enable or want to disable, then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner of the Edge browser. Then select settings in the drop down menu. Under Edge settings, select this one option, Start Home and New tabs. On the right, under Home button section, you will see an option, Show Home button on the toolbar. Turn on this one toggle to show this one Home button in the toolbar. And in case you want to hide this one Home button in the Edge browser, just turn off this one toggle. This will hide Home button from the Edge toolbar.